What's good, Jay? Yeah, before this video even starts up, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Cause I'm on over for 30, y'all. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm in the room still, truck driving. And this is the semi truck I'm driving here. It's a 2013 Freightliner Cascadia with a reefer and all that. Well, Cummins, X50 Cummins, 18 liter, and all that. I love her. I love this truck. It's a fair like kind of scary on me, but it's like, I've been with I cannot believe I'm driving the front line kind of scary. And so I will go back to the Peterbilt soon after me this, but I'm already done getting all loaded halfway, but no, so I'm already done being getting all loaded, so I'm gonna head back down towards LA and yeah, head back down to the yard, get park the truck. Tomorrow I'm gonna do it again. Tomorrow I'm on the way back down towards LA. Yes, I've been truck driving for the last few days. Um, throughout the last 2 days of school, yes, I've been truck driving. Because of that, is just I have been feeling a lot different, because of my dress and all the semi driving and all that shit. But I'm about to not. Next one goes between the eyes. Give it up. The response. Yes, I am playing GTA. Oh my god. Oh crap, I'm done. I'm done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Oh yeah, I'm done for. I'm done for. I'm done for. And also, I think the card is pretty good on this mic. Ain't gonna lie, the mic, ain't gonna lie, sounds great. Kind of great, huh? Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Dang it, the now the cops gonna be chasing after me till I get off the game. So guess how long this chase is going to be? A 3 hour one. It takes 3 hours just to get away from these cops on this game. Legit no joke. I have to keep truck driving on because it's just so warm. What to do? Dude, my trailer is fully unloaded because at the last few other stops, I got unloaded, but I accidentally stopped at that hardware store. But in the next video, I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm going hard behind this the money truck. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. So you not got away with him, dude. Oh yeah, there's ain't no chances of me getting away from these cops. I'm sorry off the car doesn't sound the greatest. Come on, my new this is the new setup, bro. I know, so I guess I'm just gonna have this set up right here with the other mics. But do not get me wrong now. I love this setup. With the lights, with the mic and everything, nah, it's crazy. But the quality is It doesn't sound glitchy. It doesn't sound crappy at all. It sounds better than the Five Below stuff. The Five Below, oh my god. If you guys know what I'm talking about, the Five Below mics are crappy. Sorry if people, one of the people who watch my videos who got Five Below. I'm very sorry, but I do not like the quality of the Five Below mics at all. At all. It's like, dude, the mics, you guys literally have to use a mic. So you guys have to use a mic twice a day to make it sound kind of good. But with this mic, heck yeah, brother, it's so clear. It doesn't sound like the mic. It's like literally around my mouth. But the Five Below mic literally sound like it. Like, fine, don't get me wrong. I love the Five Below stuff. Dude, oh my god, all I'm just trying to do is trying to get me my paycheck. My paycheck is $14,259. That's using my paycheck. Yeah, that's using my paycheck. And don't get me wrong, I'm gonna be getting me that $1 million paycheck soon. After me, I'm truck driving on. I'm gonna break the law and all that for a little bit, y'all. And yeah, but I'm gonna make me a little bit of YouTube short video because I already know like the mic does sound good. Don't get me wrong, right? The quality of the mic is clear. The quality of the mic it's good, but it kind of sounds like AI kind of. No, it doesn't really sound like AI, but it just sounds like that quality. But don't get me wrong, the quality does sound good. It does sound good, and I don't even have to worry about me placing my phone up on something. But I don't want my truck to get shot. I've already. Do you only have one of the? Only have the driver's side headlight busted out, busted out. From me accidentally crashing into a light pole. Don't get me wrong, y'all. It's truck driving. And I was trying my best to park it on in the parking spot at the truck stop. I was out for resting. So I'm just gonna have it. Dudes, now these cops ain't gonna leave me now. So should I just jump and make one foot? Are you gotta be freaking kidding me? Crap. Oh no, so what time is it? Bro, it's usually 9:06 and I still have the cops after me. So. So if I didn't need the area, the truck wouldn't real somebody would steal it. So I have to make one for it. Screw it. I'm just gonna bust that window. I haven't even shot the cops yet. Once for all, I did it again. Oh, so I just have to have my brights on. Man, it's a little bit difficult kind of to see because all I have is just a passenger headlight, and that's all. And now it's pretty hard just to see it, just to see kind of. No, no, so don't worry. Maybe tomorrow I might be in the cab over. I might be not in the cab over, but you know, people drive slow these days. I have to keep going around them. Yeah, don't get me wrong. Oh, yeah. Don't get me wrong. I love playing this game. I love truck driving over here in this game. But it just, I don't know about the traffic. Like, all, it's a Monday on my game. It's a Tuesday. It's a Thursday on this game. And it's kind of pretty busy out. It's kind of, those are pretty busy kind of. But should I get more down towards downtown? Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. The traffic and all that it's horrible. It's do not get me wrong. LA traffic is horrible. And once Raleigh gets so bad on, dudes, they literally they literally have to have what y'all call it? Cops once in a while. Oh my god. And like yeah, it's that crazy. They literally need to have cops out and patrolling the road, the streets how like backed up it is. Dude, I was in backed up traffic 3 years, a few years ago. I've been backed up in traffic a lot. Like literally, once in a while, I would just once in a while I'll use the mic. I have a dual set mic. Once in a while I will use it. Once in a while I'll put the earpiece on in the phone. Once in a while I will use that. But the only time if I'm using it, if I'm using my tripod when I do get to the don't get me wrong, I do use this a lot. Yeah, for TikTok videos, because I cannot like set it up properly. I cannot set it upwards and make them film me my TikTok video. Oh, there's a period 39. No, can probably pass me when I'm in this shit spreader. Plastic, Frontline, Cascadia. No, don't get me wrong. I love, I love and like driving the Frontline Cascadias. But don't get me wrong. They do have pack cars in them. Some do. And that's what the one thing I hate is about these Frontline Cascadias. Y'all guys need to be careful about them. So you guys want to go and get a Cascadia, make sure it doesn't have a packer. Make sure it has a Cummins or a cat. But the cats are there hard to find nowadays. I don't even want to make the cats for these semis anymore. And have you guys checked it out to one other video of me telling about my company and me truck driving? If you guys haven't, please go over and check out that channel, that video, that YouTube video. Don't get me wrong, you guys will love it. Yeah, don't get me wrong, you guys will love it. Love it. That's all. Soon I get towards where I live at on here, parking the truck around the block, and yeah. Comment down below if you guys want to see any more videos like family videos. Videos with videos are very fun, and you guys have fun watching them. And if the video is so fun for y'all, I will make sure the video goes for longer. I will don't care. I will freaking I will jam my battery out for the video coming up soon. Just do not wait, y'all. Just wait, y'all. I will make a video so fun for y'all. I'll be camping. But in the summertime next year, yep, there's gonna be some very fun videos I'm thinking about doing. I'm thinking about making me a TikTok video of me fishing, riding my bike around, do a lot of stuff out with, from far away from the campground, from our campsite, and all that, and I'll be stopping somewhere on the trail, guys, literally something. And I'm gonna tell you guys something right now. Some damn nice. I am a damn nice person, but once in a while, I can be sure, and I do try my best to become one, to be one. But yeah, no, it's alright. Let's so three, two, one. Look at you shoot. Yes. But yeah, like I said, but a lot of people don't know. I'm gonna tell you something to show you on myself. If you guys want to become a YouTuber, a truck driver, a mechanic, teacher, anything like that, pretty please keep following your dreams, keep chasing them. One of these, if they don't keep turn out, if they don't turn out well, do not give up, y'all. Keep trying. Don't go too hard on yourselves, because you guys will feel bad about it. You guys will feel bad about it. Feel bad. You was going too hard on yourselves. I don't. I don't want to go home, so because once in a while when I get too stressed out, once in a while I will cry because I get so stressed out and I hate it. I don't like it when I get stressed out because plus two, I can get emotional. Crap. Well, too late now. But yeah, like I was saying is, once in a while when I get so stressed out, I will cry. And the one thing I do is okay, is this happens and I do on the soft side. And once in a while I will use it. I don't get me wrong, I don't want to roll my voice sound stupid right now. Like why does my voice sound stupid now? It probably does not really probably doesn't sound really like it to y'all, but to me, it sounds alright. I don't know. I really wish my voice is deep. Well, I do have a deep voice, but I don't really know if I do. I guess I have this a little bit mix of a deep voice and loud voice, but don't get me wrong, man. Hey, come on now, people, stop. Sorry about that. Who used two of these ads to turn freaking. Oh my god. Please just turn freaking green. Boy, the medium right now, the semi. So yeah. Don't y'all this video is about to be so now this video is about to be very pretty long. Like the other video was longer. Because I was the lazy reaction to them. Oh dear God, that's kind of me, bro. Hey, homeless goes to sing that. Help, help. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Oh brother, oh brother. Hey, come on, man, out of the way. I don't even know. Shit, I don't know the fuck this truck at. Oh my god, I have to get something to block it, bro. So the one thing I love like to do y'all is I like to I don't have a sense of number, but once in a while I would love once in a while I would like to add me get in the truck. But once in a while I like to tap it with the sledgehammer. I'm talking about to give me my other paycheck. Some easy money. Is everyone in this town so dense? Of course you are. Hey, this you punk ass bitch is done, man. Move your ass. Well, that's that then. Hey, how you doing? Well, I came to save the day off. Shoot. Okay, so this follows the video a lot, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button, subscribe button. I'm always making YouTube videos like this every single day. Every 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 single day, y'all. And once in a while, every single day, I want to, yeah. And I always making new YouTube videos. And please support this video. Comment, leave a like, leave a comment. What type of very fun videos you guys want me to make this spring, this fall? Because I would do a lot of fun stuff. I wouldn't even I would even go. I will I would even go to my nails to do something very fun. Oh, guys, I also came out and doing woodwork outside. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay positive, be kind, be sweet, and all that. Like I always say, keep on trucking, keep on fishing, and keep on living your lives. See ya. Peace.